Hello everybody, and welcome back to Alan Wake. Last time we crossed the railway bridge and got attacked by these pipes. Not these ones specifically. Yeah, and then a wheelbarrow came, and that was fun. So, this time looks like we're heading into another ambush an ambush situation. Manuscript page, let's pick that up. Yes, right. Let's have a look at this.
I slammed the door shut right in his smug face. He pleaded for me to open the door. True to form, the asshole actually thought I would obey. I had no sympathy left, no guilt either, not for him. I took a moment to savor the scream. I bet I had a smile on my face. It was all that I had time for. The dark presence was inside the lodge with me.
Who did we shut the door on?
As a teenager, just starting to get interested in writing, Stephen King had been a source of inspiration to me. I thought about all the inanimate objects that had come to life in his books. No one is safe in a good horror story. Certainly not the protagonist. That's what makes them fun. This
Yeah,
was
we'll have a heavy-duty
anything but.
flashlight.
The darkness could possess anything, and it was getting closer.
You're getting closer. Oh my god. That would have made things very difficult if I'd have missed those. I mean, without a gun, that would have been pretty tricky. Let's jump down here. Oh look, we're trapped. Just pick up some more ammo. Oh. I like things randomly breaking. Why is this rocking on its own? That's just strange. Hey! I love that. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Gymnast Alan. Ah, yes, I remember this place. Or do I? I think if we hit this buton, all hell breaks loose. Yes! Hello, hell. How are you? I'm okay. Ah, you son of a bitch. Jesus Christ, I didn't realise I was so injured. Ah, where the hell did you come from? Okay, poor Alan Wake got injured. Damn you, dark presence. You're making my life hell. Off, Sheriff! Who wants you, you son of a bitch? Hey! In light, you can hurt them. It's good to know. Sort of figured it out. Ah, right. What's up here then, shall we? Yes, we shall. Alan Wake despises chairs. Let's watch some Night Springs.
We take the facts of our existence for granted, unaware that they are merely a thin veneer of desperate self-delusion, covering a vast cosmos of madness and horror. All too often, the stars are right. In Night Springs.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Tonight's episode, a family occasion. Journalist Alvin Derleth's trip to study the local customs of an insular community in Night Springs has been less than successful. Until tonight.
Well, I'm glad you changed your minds about this. Ancient customs, local mythology. My editor loves this kind of stuff.
Well, Mr. Derleth, we don't want to feel like we're on exhibition, but you have demonstrated the seriousness of your intent.
Oh, I am serious. Really, just do your thing. I'll stay out of
Serious?
your way and observe.
Actually, I thought you could assist us. I'm afraid we are a man short. It would provide you with an intimate perspective.
Could I really?
Of course.
Sounds dirty.
Well, I guess that's the least I... What would I have to do?
Oh, here. Let me show you with a kiss.
It's rude to speak with your mouth full.
What did you...
Oh, Mr. Derleth, look well pleased, Nixie Perka, the dweller in flesh. Your body shall host his thousand young, and all shall be glory. Shh, darling.
Well, that was just rats under the shirt.
Alvin Derleth learned a harsh lesson. If you go looking for mythology, it may come looking for you. And such quests always bear fruit. In Night Springs.
Well, Alan, it could be worse. We could be in Night Springs. Right. Oh, something else was flashing over here, was it? No, I'm seeing things. Okay. Out the door. And down the fire escape.
The darkness surged towards me, sucking everything loose from the ground into its depths, tugging at my clothes. I saw the flare
clothes.
the kidnapper had dropped and threw myself towards it just as I felt my feet leave the ground. The darkness embraced me with the force of a tornado. Somehow I managed to light the flare. The darkness roared and cast me away. I fell toward the dark waters of the lake far below.
Dun 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 dun. My name is Alan Wake, and I'm a writer. Oh, crap. Awesome. Holy guacamole! Ah! Damn it! I knew this bit was going to be tricky. Of course, if we go stand behind here, we might be alright! I didn't think it was going to knock it down. Oh, bloody hell! This is not going well. I need to devise a tactic. This is going to be a long episode, I'm sorry about that. But I've got to beat this bloody digger. Bulldozer thing. Oh, sod off, I lit a flare. Oh, bloody hell! Right. Just getting accosted by these knobhead. Right, okay. Oh shit! Oh, fuck. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh! Right. Don't remember this being so hard. I've only got it on normal. Piss off, thank you. Will you just bugger off? Son of a bitch! There's just too much going on. Alright, I'll give it one more go. No, I'm gonna beat this. This is gonna be a stupidly long episode, but I'm gonna beat this. I beat the guy with the chainsaw straight away! Oh, fuck. That's how we do that. Get out of it! Get out! You son of a gun! Right. That's how we do that. Focus on the fucking bulldozer first. Jesus. Okay. What's this over here? Did I miss something over here? I did. I missed something over here as well. Ooh. Well done, Alan Wake. Now then. We're going to get ourselves a checkpoint. And I'm going to stop for now. That was excruciating. Infuriating. Actually, what I could have done was just try and open the gate, I suppose. Oops. And there's a coffee thermos. We'll just grab that. You need a coffee to calm your nerves, Alan. So let's see if there's a checkpoint here by this vehicle. There's not. Okay, thank you very much. Rewind. Thank you very much for watching. I'm sorry about being very sweary, but I got very frustrated, and who cares? Also, thanks. Rightio, I'm going to head off. Thank you very much for watching me play Alan Wake very badly and getting killed lots by a bulldozer. See you next time. Bye!